Yes, guys, how are you? I hope you are doing well. Yeah, basically, I know each and everyone know that this is the end of the second quarter. Yeah, today I'm going to give you a short analysis about BTC and how it goes and what are you going to expect and what happened back in the ways and what are we going to expect on the coming days. But basically, what I can say before of that, I would like you to remind that thank you for your time, for choosing our channel, because we have been receiving more views from you, more comments. It shows exactly that how much you are interested with our channel and how much you are sharing to others, because you are getting new friends, you're asking some questions, you're asking some repeat of webinars. So we are happy on that. Also, we also like you to remind that don't get tired of us. Just continue to show the love as you are showing so that our channel can proceed growing and we can also proceed releasing more content about the Forex market. But basically today I'm going to explain on BTC, how it goes and and what are we going to expect on the coming days. Yeah, if you take a look on BTC, specifically by starting with by 6 months, by 6 months. Okay, according to 6 months, it showed that for the past 6 months, BTC was bullish a little bit. It was bullish, as you see around here, that it was bullish like from this point to this point, and we were expecting more move to the upside. But for the past for the last year, like you see here, this was the last year which was able to ended. The last year it showed that the price was bearish, whereby more people were more shocked. But I don't think if there was the reason for people to get shocked, because as you know that the price tend to move in impulse, correction, and continuation. Impulse correction and continuation, but that impulse correction and continuation contains some phases, which is highs and low, highs and low. So BTC was must to make lows, like you see around here, to make this low before making highs, because people were just expecting that BTC will just be making series of highs, 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 highs. That's not how the price works. That's not how the market goes. For the real market, the price should have highs and low, like you see. So the price for the last year, it made low, and now it is made in highs, and we're expecting some lows, some pullbacks, okay? But the way we see that the price it is still in it has finished this impulsive move by making the latest highs, and it's going to make low before making it made this low before it is going to make the latest highs. That is according to how 6 months show that the price made low for the past month, and the current 6 months the price made highs, which ended few days ago. That is how 6 months shows. If you come in if you come in 3 months ago, because all one candle showed past 3 months ago, this is what tells us this was the first quarter and this is the second quarter. But if you take a look, there was a little bit break of structure around here. This was the break of structure around here. And the break of structure was this here. Because there was low, highs, and low, then the price made to break the structure. What that this means, what that this means, it means that the price, the price, the this means that the price, the price has shifted because here we are having impulsive movement, and this one was a collection. So this break you see here, it shows that after this impulse, we got a collection. So this break, it shows that our we have finished our this collection move. And as usual, the price or the market must form must be moving in three forms: impulse, correction, and continuation. So this one around here was impulsive move, and this one was correction, though it did not have any break. But due to this break, it shows that this correction is over, and we are expecting a little bit push to the upside. But due to this due to this break of structure, what I can say that we are expecting that this BTC will go a little bit downward around here before going upward. So this break, it tells us that we are going to have a little bit push to the downward, then going to the upward. So for those investors, they can wait to a certain point around here before going to the upside. Okay, yeah, I want to remind you also something that if you have got any problem with these cryptos regarding regarding on technical analysis, you can just check me on my DM, or you can just write a reply or just leave a comment so that I can help you on how to analyze this based on technical analysis. Yeah. So due to this break, it showed that the price, it has finished a certain phase, and we're expecting a certain phase. So we're expecting a little bit to the downward before going upward. That being said, what I can say that for the past 2 quarters, the price was what? Was bullish. And due to this break around here, due to this break around here, we show that we are expecting a little bit to the downward before going up. So what I can say that, of course, we are going up, but we will have drawdown. We will have a drawback before going to the upside. This is according to BTC on 3 months or on the quarter two. So what I can say is just you to wait for the real thing to happen. Okay, don't take a trade. What I can don't take a trade, a buy trade over there. You have just to wait. Don't buy BTC right now. Just wait to a certain point around here. Lower time frame will tell us, especially week, especially monthly, it will tell us where we're going to take that trade. That is according to monthly. So week that is according to 3 months. So what I can say that on 6 months, it shows that the price is bullish. Okay, so what do we expect? We expect that we expect more bullish to the upside, because if you try to also to look on 6 months, it shows that how the price was strongly going upward. Okay, that being said, if you come in after then, if you come also in 3 months here, in 3 months, it showed that how things went like this. So this shows 3 months ago, so this month ago, which if you try to add them, you get almost 6 months. So the past 3 months were bullish, and the past 3 months, which you over this month, it was also bullish, and we are expecting a little bit push to the upside. But that little bit push to the upside cannot happen before making a little bit to the downward before going up. That being said, let's go and see on monthly time frame. If you come on monthly time frame, if you come on monthly time frame, so if you come on if you come on monthly time frame, you can see that, sorry, what we see around here on monthly time frame is that we are having low, highs and low, and we may need to break this structure. This break of structure, it is a good indication for that we're expecting to have a little bit to the upside. But what I can say, if we manage to reach this point around here, this will be as our block of trend. But currently, what we can say is that on monthly time frame, the price made high, I mean low, highs and low, highs and low, low, you made another high. So on monthly time frame, it is telling us that for the past 2 months, I mean for the past 2 months, it shows that the past months we are bullish. Okay, we are bullish. And if you try to check around here on lower time frame on this trade here, people got a trade around here. Why do I say that? This was due to this break over here. This was due to this break around here. This break, like this break here. So people just get an advantage of taking a trade around here and go to the upward side. So for the case so according to the structure, this showed that we were in impulsive move before entering in a correction move whereby most of people were shorting, but the price, it showed that the price has finished a correction move. So more a correction move, more move after impulsive move. Hence, we expected a high impulsive move on BTC for the coming months. This is according to monthly structure. But according to the past 2 quarters, it showed that the last quarter, BTC managed to be bullish. This is a good indication that for the coming quarter, it will continue going bullish. The same applies to 6 months. But if you come on weekly, if you come on weekly, you can see on weekly how it shows. For the coming weeks, BTC will be more bull. This is after the break of structure. Okay, this is after the break of structure. Hence giving more chance to hold this bull trade, because this was the break of structure around here, and the price came downward here and it grabbed this and it is going up. Also, not only that, if you try to look here, the price made to break these trends. It break the trend around here. Also, it closed the above here. Okay. That being said, when you look at BTC on weekly, it shows that the price has managed to move more highs and low to the bull direction, which was accompanied with some break of structure. Like I say, this was some break of structure around here. Also, this was some break of structure because it's high, low, high. Then the price meant to break the structure and check the trade around here. This was this after this break, like you see here. Also, another break of structure is around here, like you see. I think you get the point. So this is indicating that it is following the trend. So BTC, it is real, man. It is real. It followed the trend, not like other coins how they do, but BTC, it is real. It is following the structure how it falls, and we know that the structure to be followed it must be impulse, correction, and continuation. It showed that the price has managed also to break the trend. Like I told you, this is the trend around here. This is a good indication for the bull to continue dominating the market. For those who bought BTC, I just advise them to continue holding that. Hence, for those little traders, we expecting for them to take some profits on bull, the same applies on bear, but good caution that we took. We look where a good opportunity for the bull today. Yeah, that being said, if you come on the time frame now, if you come on that time frame, it is showing exactly how things are goes now. You see, it shows us like you see around here a lot of break of structure, a lot of break of structure on the time frame. But what I can say, when you look on the time frame, it shows like that the price made to print new highs, like you see around here. The price made to print new highs. The price made to print new highs, like here. That was new high. Hence, just waiting for the good confirmation to proceed with bull move. That being said, we expect to take a good advantage of bull movement. But what I can say that we cannot take any trade around here until we see either the break of structure on lower time frame, especially on 4-hour time frame. We expect the price to break the structure. This was the highest point. If the price breaks the structure, we can find our interest point around here before going to the upside. Yeah, all in all, that is what I can say on this pair of BTC against the USD. Yeah, thank you guys. I hope we meet next time. But don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to share to others. Also, leave your comment if something is understood. Also, thank you very much. Thank you very much, and hope see you next time.